Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix photos stuck on optimizing library on iPhone. If you have ever opened the Photos app on your iPhone and seen the message optimizing library only to realize it's stuck and never seems to finish, you are not alone. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is make sure your iPhone is on charger. Ensure the process completes without interruption. And the next step is ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Go to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi connection is not strong enough, connect to another network and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider shows up, so slide to power off and then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is check iCloud storage. Make sure you have enough available storage in iCloud for all your photos. Even if your photos appear synced, the iPhone might still be trying to upload higher quality versions or manage storage. Go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Then choose iPhone storage to see how many free space you have. Next, I'm going to tell you turn off and on iCloud photos. For this, go to settings and then tap on your name at the top. Next, choose iCloud, select photos and turn off iCloud photos for a few minutes, then turn it back on. This can trigger a reset and force the Photos app to restart the optimization process and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix photos stuck on optimizing library on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.